Welcome to Savage Tech Australia. Thanks for joining us today. We're just here to show you our new sticker kit and blackout kit. The blackout kit consists of mirror covers, handle covers, front grille cover, and the rear tailgate lock handle cover. Now the kit also comes with a rear badge that replaces the Great Wall symbol in the middle and looks like an upside down Batman or a Batman symbol. That replaces that with a P symbol, which is the power symbol. So it matches the front grille on the rear and it'll be black. The front grille, the middle, it also covers the chrome bit up in the middle where the radar is situated. So the whole front of the car will be blacked out. I'll show you pictures of that later. And the sticker kit we're going to be installing today is really cool. Quite easy to do. My fiance is going to help me install it on the car today, and you'll see a time-lapse video. Just to give you an idea on roughly what you need to do. Hey, I'm no expert at installing a sticker kit, and this is the first time I've done it, so if I can do it, I'm sure you guys can do it at home. And yeah, but hopefully this video helps you, if you want to give it a go, just order it online, and yeah, it'll get delivered to you, and you just got to cut around the sticker to divide the two parts up, and then you pretty much apply water with a sprayer bottle around the car, you need a Stanley knife, and yeah, you'll just be able to cut around it and then peel back the clear film. It sticks to the clear film, then apply that to the vehicle, and then you just squeegee it on. The water helps it not stick, and it allows you to nicely get rid of any air bubbles and squeegee any excess water out. Will evaporate when, beautiful sunshine like today. After a few days, most of the bubbles will disappear. So yeah, if you like the sticker kits, head to our website, savagetech.com.au, and thank you so much for liking and subscribing and giving us all the support and on the website and that. And yeah, thank you. Enjoy your Canon, and cheers.